Hello, everybody. This is Brandon Reacts TV, and today I'll be reacting to another Woody Woodpecker cartoon. This one is going to be The Great Who Doed It from 1952. So, yeah, let's get into
Guess who?
it. The Great Who Doed It. Okay. Oh, okay. Oh, wow. So is he a magician? Right, right. Poor lady. Oh, the county fair. Okay. I wouldn't trust Woody as a magician. You see the fat lady. What me? Wait, I'm gonna go back. The what? The me bula bo. Okay. All right. Wait, I'm gonna go back too because there's this guy, the fire eater. Okay. Professor Bernie. All right. Bernie. The fat lady, 25 cents. Bubblegum, 5 cents. Okay. Oh, so Woody bought some bubblegum. Oh, he's flying with the bubblegum. Oh, he's like, right. Wow.
Hurry, step right.
Ah, Buzz Buzzard.
Your bottle of old dog
Had a cough syrup. Plus what? It's one row plus hidden tax. Oh, I don't know. I don't want to know how much that hidden tax is. Oh, that Buzz Buzzard. It's like don't buy anything from him. You can never trust him. Dr. Buzzard. You're not a doctor.
Tonic with a... tonic with a...
Tonic with a what? With a pop. Oh, what's doing that? Okay, I was wondering what that was. That was Woody. Oh, Buzz Buzzard. Oh, you stop! Don't do that to Woody. You're gonna regret that, Buzz Buzzard. You're definitely gonna regret that. Well, I'm gonna go back like that. That was so. Like, he didn't have to do that. Like popping the gum was enough.
You bother me.
You bother me. No, you bother me, Buzz Buzzard.
That tonic with a punch.
With a punch. Okay. Oh, you're not kidding. You have to say that. Yes. Shout out to Woody.
Someone from the audience.
No, not Woody. No.
A free bottle I had to call.
No. Oh, what it's coffee. The bottle is coffee. Oh, he never had a cough though. They gave him a cough. Throw it at him. Yeah, that's what you get, Buzz Buzzard. He deserves all of that. Yeah, that's what you get. You deserve that. Let's get out of there, Woody. Harry Who Doed It, magician. Ah, okay, but it's closed. Oh, Woody's gonna be the magician. Hello. Woody. Oh, what are you slapping him? That was so uncalled for. Oh, this is the magician's hat. Hey, how was it doing that? There's probably a rabbit in there. Oh, what is it? Oh, it's a rabbit. There it is. Oh, that's the Easter bunny. Oh, he popped. What was that? The fire eater. Oh, Buzz Buzzard.
Little red-headed woodpecker.
You stop it. You leave him alone. Oh, the beard. What's that guy? He loves his beard. That guy just likes to beat everybody up. Oh, it's him. There you go. There's Woody. Oh, Woody, right. Run away. Oh, punch him. Yeah, do that. Punch him. Oh, there's three. That's what you get. You deserve that. You wanted Woody. This is what you get. Oh, I know it's gonna be the no. You would think since that's the smallest one, right? It's not gonna pack a punch, but no. Sometimes the small things they pack a big punch. That's gonna be a huge explosion, and you're gonna deserve it, Buzz Buzzard. You're gonna deserve that. I'm gonna go back. He's like, right? He was so confident. Oh, it's a small one. It's not gonna do anything. Ain't that cute? It's not gonna be cute when it blows up. Oh, there you go. Is it still cute, huh? There you go. Oh, lock him in there. Yes. Oh, do that. Yes.
Why, you red-headed.
That's what you get. That's what you get. You messed with him first. That's what you get. Shout out to Woody. Oh, saw him in half. Saw him in half. Sawing a lady in half. Hey, come back here. I need you. He's all in one piece now. Wow, the high dive tank. Like you haven't had enough, Buzz Buzzard. Woody is getting you. He's wow. Oh, that's what you get. Woody, shout out to you. Yeah, yeah. There you go. There you go. Wait, what was that like? Tear. Oh, okay. It sounded like something like Thor when he right. Oh, that's what you get. That's what you get. You want to mess with Woody? You want to mess with Woody? That's what you get, Buzz. That's what you get. Oh, man, that is so dangerous. Wow. Oh, it's gonna be good. Right. Oh, right. I'm terrified. Oh, wow. Oh, those poor people. Oh, yeah, oh, he's a football player. 1847. Boom, right in the face. There you go. Yeah, shout out to Woody. You want more, huh? You want more? Woody's gonna give you more. Oh no, he put him in a straitjacket. Wow. Oh, he's not in the two New York. Buzz Buzzard went with them. Welcome to Atlantic City. He took him to Danger Deep Water. He took him to that all the way to Atlantic City. Woody's not even there. You just wasted your time, Buzz. You just wasted your time. Guess who? Guess who's gonna be there? He's like, I can still hear that laugh because he's right there. Yeah! Shut up! Shit. All right, yeah, do it again. All right, all of them are gonna explode. All of them are gonna explode. Oh yeah, those are the. Oh, shut the fire! Shout out to Woody. Yes. Yes, I approve. Buzz Buzzard deserves all of that. All of that. That's his karma right there. For all of the bad things he's done, that's his karma right there. He deserves that. For sure. There you go. There you go. I love this episode. So good. So good. You know, definitely no complaints at all. I loved it. Loved it a lot for sure. So please make sure to like, comment, subscribe. I'll catch you on the next one. Thank you.